Social media is designed to make us think, maybe I should be somewhere else, doing something else, with someone else. But if you always think that your happiness is somewhere else, it will never, ever be where you are. Social media bombards us with curated snapshots of others' lives, showcasing seemingly perfect moments that can just leave us yearning for more. We sometimes forget that happiness isn't a destination. It's a state of mind. It's about appreciating the here and the now. It's about finding joy in the simple pleasures. It's about embracing the beauty of the present. It's about realizing that the grass isn't always greener on the other side of the screen. In the grand tapestry of life, social media is just one thread. It can be a source of inspiration, connection, and expression, but it should never define our sense of self-worth or happiness. Ultimately, happiness is where you are, right here, right now.